me ask you, Charlie.
That's what me I'm gonna tell him.
So what? You can't tell the man sitting in a video. You know, don't tell me nothing.
What CC have to tell you? How on you speechless so?
Oh, I'm speechless.
So we are more there.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy King and your girl
Shay
and your girl
CC
and your boy
Nathan.
Yeah, we are back to tell you guys how we give a girlfriend bun. I'm joking. Yeah, yes. So that's the our
question.
Q&A.
Q&A, not Q&A.
Q&A.
Yeah, so
yeah, good to Q&A.
So how this gonna is CC and Nathan I go ask me only a question, so me only I go ask
them Christian.
Yeah.
Put on your back, sis. Oh, you know, I know you're sure.
Yeah. So who will go first?
Oh no.
We?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come question.
Alright. Me ask the woman.
Yeah.
Me go ask the woman.
And you ask the couple. Jesus.
Yeah, no, not the couple.
Yeah.
Ask the couple.
The
Couple against couple.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. My question is, from the day Nathan attack, do you ever cheat on him?
What? Why you want to mash up people's life?
No, I answer. Well, that is me. That is me. The first question is very busy.
No, you want to do it.
You ever cheat on him?
No.
Okay. So you know set no man out there no? I know say anything. Alright.
She cheat.
Same thing of Nathan and Nathan.
Nathan, are you cheating?
No, sir. Never.
Yeah, man. The same person.
Yeah, same thing of you.
And never like that.
Alright.
Born a virgin,
Alright, two question now. How long have you guys been together?
13 years now. This year will be 13 years.
When this year done,
Yeah.
next year August at 13.
Yeah, next year August 13. Alright.
Older than me.
Alright, Sasha, ask one question now.
Alright. What is your aim or what is your goal for the next 2 years from now? Where you aim for?
Yeah, in
The
life.
next 2 years from now, where you see yourself?
Mansion, penthouse.
Oh, Jesus.
You,
Come now, CC.
your opinion can different from opinion so.
Yeah. Best yourself.
Tell me
In a delivery room.
Alright, baby.
No, not put no words in
No,
there.
Nathan's a delivery.
But tell Nathan.
Then
Nathan question God.
delivery can be close.
Food.
Delivery.
One day I'm a big mansion is car. I have a nice job.
So I'm the picking.
And
No.
no. Fitness.
See what job there.
Alright,
Yeah.
my question now.
That's a good job.
Alright, like how you never come with small than it, is it? And you just come with small than the first time being with small than it. How you feel down here? Comfortable down here? You feel like you want to go back home?
In here, I just love it down
Or
here.
just loving down here?
I love down here.
Why you love down here?
More than upper center man.
Top job with the people in more. Why do you love down here? Like you
the same thing.
No, I'm not asking a question. I didn't answer a question. Why the reason why you don't want you wouldn't want to go back home? You just would want to just stay here.
Because I'm more comfortable down here.
Never talk floating.
Comfortable guys, it's a better environment and we get time to think and pre-life, you see.
I'm like all the people that live down here. They live different from St. Thomas people.
Wow.
Different.
Wow.
Different.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, so you know, so what's more like?
What's more than bad people in there?
What's more like? A good people them for real. You know, really come down here, you know. Alright, most of the time when I hear about crime,
such a different thing,
we don't know me explain why should I real they would have feel more comfortable down here.
Only 2 I want to meet.
Meeting on the roadside.
Oh, those on the roadside.
No man, your mother when you rent house for my mother, and your mother did about 3-4 months. Then Mr. She come with a suitcase, and then we call her for her and I said, pretty girl, me can help me pay your suitcase. And he said, no, I'm okay. And then I come down and I have my mother, I say, one beautiful girl, come here. And I say, so I pay my mother to do everything to get me. Uncle, my mother listen to me now.
Alright. Next question now. O'Neil, look for one question.
One of them more people. Yes, guys, so how we go again? How we go on?
We are asked questions.
Yes, that one of the asked question. No.
Alright, so how does it feel to be alright. How does it feel to be a YouTuber, a young YouTuber where explode? Like when I get subscribers every day. What the feeling? What you feel like?
Feel like a goat.
Man,
I
Billy.
can't green soon start coming. But I know that feeling the guys overwhelming. Yo, Jaja.
See.
I feel happy. The blood bag boss.
You have blood bag?
Yeah.
You know, it's a good feeling.
It's a good feeling.
Yeah.
Alright. Next question. Me I ask one question. How much more kids you guys plan to have?
None.
Wanna say
One.
one?
None.
None.
Yeah, peer.
None.
Jesus Christ, we want to get it from a different girl.
You have one good kid.
No, such a
Daddy
unbalanced.
said, eh?
You're unbalanced. One woman and call it a lead.
I may have my 2 foot and my 2 hands.
Two.
Come, next question.
Two.
Are we for absolute?
Yeah.
Alright. What is your dream car?
Honda.
Yeah, no.
The 2 of us here.
Honda. Civic.
Yeah.
Akkad. Make girl make
We want the Akkad.
Alright.
Honda. Alright. Where do you guys see yourself in the next 10 years?
10 years.
Far.
You know, said
Far.
that a long time, not you. So, see yourself in the next 10 years. We're supposed to have multiple businesses. Yeah. We're supposed to have a mansion or 2. Yeah. By the time I'm supposed to can drive. But I'm supposed to can buy one Lamborghini.
Why such a chest high do? Your chest high bad. You know what chest high?
Lamborghini.
Yes, a Lamborghini.
Me alright with her.
And you know,
With a Range Rover and sitting.
the kids and the
Real.
father. And
With the one
because
I
well
packed
comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you see yourself now in 10 years on you? What's that? Where you see it? I'm making my man have I sit down up on the seat now.
What?
Sit down up on the seat.
Aside that man was saying after years.
Come on in.
Listen.
Next 10 years.
10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, next 10 years you see yourself.
But speechless.
Go on and what's the shit? One of them.
I just didn't see himself the next day.
Oh my God,
You see himself over the other side.
no. Boy. I think about it only.
The bad speechless. Yo, I wanna.
Awa.
My you. Don't want to Kalisha.
Awa.
Stop the video. Yo, I wanna.
Oh, a while ago.
Ask him.
Awa.
Kalisha.
Yeah.
Don't. I wanna.
Where's your while ago? Where's your while ago?
You see she put her hand back on you.
I'm going to get up
You
from
see
over here
that
and
woman
say, if you come inside.
Ask him, Mr. Shay.
So I'm with your mouth. But here.
Me not see her.
What? What me do, Mr. Shay?
And that's why the man there says I go so and I move.
Where you only in a CC?
Me and him not in a nothing.
Eh? I make a move for you, so O'Neal.
Ask her, Mr. Shay.
Me I ask you.
Oh God.
I make a move for over here, so.
God. God.
I make a
Me
move for
not
over here, so.
touching this
Kalisha,
man.
me
But the
see
man
you,
find that
me see you,
don't
me see you,
touch
and the
him.
man jump. So what if am I you? Is that alright? Everything looks good.
Wait to on really, you know.
Hey, Mr. Tuwari, Mr. Shay. Yo, no bother with it, Virgin. No bother with it. Don't bother with it, Sashay. Don't bother with it.
I mean, some must about with it. Why you get up from here, so O'Neal?
Hey, so me.
Nah, I don't know more YouTube with it. So you better know.
I didn't say I make
You move back, no make you
Don't.
not stop.
I make you get up from over here, so.
Don't tell me nothing.
Because Sashay.
No, I hear nothing from you. See you have to stretch off for the man.
Me don't.
Where
So
you
you
stretch
stretch
off
out
for
for
the
him,
man?
CC.
Where you have to stretch off
I
for the
saw
man?
me not go tell him.
Tell
So what?
You can't tell the man sitting in a video.
You know,
You know, don't tell me nothing.
what CC have to tell you? How only speechless, so.
Oh, I'm speechless.
So we are more there. What CC have to tell you? More here. CC tell me where you did I go tell you.
Yeah,
Here.
make
everybody hear.
Make everybody can hear them. Where that tell him? Lean up off of me.
So we are going.
Lean up off of me. You deaf? And talk, no man.
Jesus Christ, come here.
You just say me not touch him.
So you know just say touch him a while ago because you have something to tell him. Oh, what is your man?
Or something there. Really.
Yeah, you're not singing,
Me
daddy.
not in a nothing.
So yeah, say you touch him and then you say
You're not touch him. Only what
Where
happened?
you want to tell him? What make the
That's
man
right.
move for you?
I'm telling you now, you see the reason I move? Because he had a jack down for me like too much. So I just answer me, they kind of feel uncomfortable. So I say that. So because I rate upon a level so. I now go like I'm rating the mother so. Like he had a jack down for me like every second. Like he move and I like the boy.
So me see.
Because he sit down so like it's but he
you
had.
want to touch him man. You
So
want
he
to
just
touch
kind of
him
feel
man.
uncomfortable. So
So
I
me
say
see
that's
the man
move.
not touch you and the man a move and the man a slide out.
So why when
So where you
Oni...
touch him man for?
No, wait, no, so why when Oni come over here saying dress back?
Don't touch me.
I mean, I'm just about to say.
Me couldn't see your part way in the camera, you know. You see like how me could have seen you now in the camera, look. You see it? Me see me out just so and you go way back so. And me couldn't see you none at all in the camera. Me couldn't even see your face. You see what me I talk about? So why you go back there so?
Me see she
Eh?
has stretch on her hand back this. So what?
That's something me that go tell him.
What? So talk make everybody hear then. Everybody can hear then.
Yeah, going so far.
No, tell me nothing. Get up if you get up and move. Now do no more YouTube with you. So you better get that in the head, you know. Okay, but later you see the channel name change and the video there. And me alone. Excuse me beside me no one.
You know, no more explanation on you. Oni,
Sashay, what me do, Sashay?
You know,
Don't
no
put me that
explanation.
way. What me do, virgin?
I mean, must be some
Me do nothing wrong.
more fear explanation. What's
Me a touch nobody, virgin.
Eh? Where you see?
Me get up and it still a cause from the face. Me get up.
But the
I saw me if you are in a 6 if you have problem, virgin. Me do nothing, virgin.
Nathan ask CC, me ask you.
For what?
I wouldn't know.
You would dumb.
Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch here. May I ask you a question, you know, you? O'Neil. O'Neil.
See, you know, the thing